Hi everyone! Today we are doing week 2, day 5, but we are also doing week 3, day 2, because it's the same worksheet you're going to be doing, but for the first day you're only going to be going up to problem 27, and then for the week 3, day 2, you're going to be doing the back. So I'm only going to do one video, but I'll post it in both pages so that way you know. Here we have our directions of add like fractions. Directions: find the sum. Use fraction bars when needed. Now, if you need your fraction bars, they are in your packet. However, I think that we'll be okay. Here we have example number 1. So, quick review, our numerators and our denominator. Numerators on the top, denominators on the bottom. We have 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. If we'll notice, our denominator stayed the same. I'm going to put that right here. Stays same. Our numerator, however, did change, so all we did was we added 3 plus 1. Now, you should know these addition facts really easy because they're very, very simple, but in case we're having a little bit of problems, we can do it on our fingers. We can put 3 on one, and we can put 1 on the other, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got our 4. Number 2, same thing we'll notice. We have 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. Our 6 stayed the same. It's only our numerator that changed, so the top number. 2 plus 3, we can do the same thing we did before. If we can't figure out what it is, we can go 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 out of 6. Moving on to our next one, we've got 3/8 plus 4/8 equals 7/8. Our denominator stayed the same. We added 3 plus 4, so we've got 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's exactly what they came up with, 7/8. Now we're going to step out a little bit on our own. We're going to look at number 4. The first thing that I would do is just draw my line, and then I'm going to look at my denominator because we already know that our denominator is staying the same for these problems, so I can fill that in, so I'm already halfway there. Now I just have to add 1 plus 1. This should be easy peasy. We've got 1, 2, so we have 2/3. For number 5, I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did for number 4. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to look at my denominator. My denominator is 3. And then I'm going to add my numerators together. So I've got 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at that. So this is 3 out of 3. And I'm going to give you guys a little thing for the future here. If you've got the same number as the bottom number, that equals one whole thing filled in. All right, number 6. I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing this whole time. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to look at my denominator. I know it's going to stay the same, so I can put my 4 in. I'm going to add 2 plus 1 because I'm adding my numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 2, 3. So 3/4. And then the last one Miss Sloger is going to do with you, number 7. I've got 2/6 plus 3/6 equals, my denominator stays the same. I'm going to add 2 and 3. So I've got 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that this is 5/6. All right, remember that this is your video for today. And it is also going to be a video that you're going to rewatch for next week for week 3, day 2. But I will post it there where it needs to be. But today you're only going up for week 2. You're going up through 27. On the second day you do it, which is next Tuesday, you're going to do 28 through 55. And these should be really, really easy peasy for you to do. You'll notice it really didn't take Miss Sloger all that long to do 4, 5, 6, 7, and I even reviewed 1, 2, 3. So this should be pretty easy, pretty simple. You're good to go.